Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create and delete RDS PostgreSQL databases in AWS using AWS Console. I have logged into my AWS account. Click RDS. Click Create Database. We have two options available. One is Standard Create and the Easy Create. In case of Standard Create, we need to provide the configuration options. In case of Easy Create, AWS will be creating the database using the AWS best practices, but later you will be able to modify the configurations once the database is created. Okay, then there are multiple engine options available like Aurora, MySQL compatible, PostgreSQL compatible, MySQL, MariaDB, but for this demo purpose we are going to select the PostgreSQL. Okay, and here you could see it provides information related to the engine what we have selected. Okay, then the engine version we need to select. I am going to go with the default version. Okay, and then template I am going to select the free tier. Okay, since we have selected the free tier, the availability and durability, all these options are disabled. Okay, then we need to give the DB instance. So I am going to call it as a demo instance. Okay, and the master username is Postgres, right? And I am going to give the password. Okay, so the instance configuration, since we have selected the free tier, only the bustable classes is available. Okay, in that also we have only two options available. One is dbt3 micro, another one is dbt4g.micro. I'll go with the dbt3.micro, right? And the storage, right, I'm not going to do any changes, right? I'm going to disable the storage auto scaling, and the connectivity I'm going to leave it as default, and the public access I'm going to select it as S, because we want to connect to this instance from using the pgAdmin. Okay, other things looks good. Okay, and the database authentication we will go with the default, which is the password authentication. Okay, and then I'm going to disable the performance insights. Okay, so additional configuration I'm going to provide the initial database name, which I'm going to call it as DemoDB. Okay, I'm going to disable the automated backups, encryption, right? Even the minor version upgrade. So all these things I have disabled. Right now click Create Database. The database is getting created, but it is going to take few minutes before the database creation is going to get complete. The database instance has been successfully created. Let's review that. Okay, we could see the summary information here, and here we could see the connectivity and security information. Let's copy the endpoint, because using that we will be able to connect to this instance. Okay, and here we can see the networking information, and here we could see the security group information. Let's review that. Okay, select the security group, click edit inbound rules. Let's add one rule. Okay, let's get the PostgreSQL, right? And then I'm going to select as my IP. Okay, then click Save Rules. We have successfully modified the security group. Now let us try to connect this instance using the pgAdmin. I have already installed pgAdmin in my system. Click Add New Server. We need to give a name. So I'm going to call this SQL. Okay, then the connection, we need to give the connection information. The endpoint, I'm going to paste it. Okay, so the username is Postgres. Okay, we need to give the password. Okay, all good. Click Save. Now we have successfully connected to the RDS PostgreSQL instance. Let's review that. Click Databases, click DemoDB. Okay, so we could see the DemoDB which we created in this RDS instance. Now let us see how to delete the RDS PostgreSQL instance what we created. Okay, click Actions. So here we could see there are multiple options available, like you will be able to turn on the backups, you will be able to stop the instance temporarily, you will be able to reboot, you will be able to delete, You'll be able to set up EC2 and be able to set up Lambda connection. You'll be able to create Aurora read replica. You'll be able to create a blue-green deployment. You'll be able to take a snapshot. You'll be able to migrate a snapshot. You'll be able to create an elastic cache cluster. Okay, but for this demo purpose, we are going to perform only the delete operation. So click delete. I don't need a final snapshot, so I'm going to remove this, and then I'm going to acknowledge, and then type delete me, and then click delete. The database instance is getting deleted, and it is going to take few minutes. The database instance has been successfully deleted. In this demo, we have seen how to create and delete RDS PostgreSQL databases in AWS using AWS Console. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.